guys, Ninja Noah 5 here from Pinky Chicken Gaming, and I'm back with another Happy Wheels episode. And today I just searched obstacle course, and yeah, I'm just gonna play them through. So, I didn't. Hold on. Obstacle course by Logan99. This is a multi-course obstacle course level. This was created by Logan999. Check out some of my other levels, rate 5, and post your epic replays. Have fun. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Oh! You're fine, son. Oh, you'll be fine. Oh, you'll be fine. Oh. Falling ninja. What? God, he killed me. You'll be fine, son. No. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Come on. Oh, did the same thing. You'll be fine. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick today. I got you. Ooh, stabbed yourself in the face. Ooh, and then I blew up your face. What? I was trying to read the thingy. Yeah. You'll be fine. Attack of the... Oh no. What's that? What? What? Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry, son. Your friends were trying to kill me. I had to do it. Obstacle Course 2 by William Kens. Bugfix, thank you for playing Obstacle Course 1. The prize is Obstacle Course More Track. Difficult is medium. What? Rate high and play 2,000 up for Obstacle Course 3. Visit me for play my cool level Kens. Well, great grammar there. Thank you for welcoming. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. That hurt. I fell out. It's fine. It's fine. Hey. Whee! I'm gonna beat this one try. Watch this. I'm gonna go right. Yeah. Oh, hello. Sorry, son. Oh no. I'm fine. Just. Oh god. It's fine. Yeah. Ow! I was so close! The end was right there. You know it. Ow. I'll be fine. Backflip. Oh. Totally made it. Glass bridge of death. Whee! Are you? Oh. Oh god. I'm gonna make this. Oh, I gotta push. I keep forgetting. Oh, hello. Backflip. Whee! Okay. Slow. There we go. Okay, mate. Get this stupid knife thing. Oh, I survived! I had to land on my stupid face. I'm gonna beat this, I'm determined. Spent like half the video doing this, but I'm gonna do it. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Fine. I'm better than fine. I'm fine. I'm gonna survive this. And backflip into everything. It's... Oh! No, 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 go, go, go. Ah! I'm fine. I'm fine. See? Completely fine. Totally made that. God. Obstacle Course PT1 by Dunner183. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, he died. Oh my. He exploded. Oh. Ah. Oh man, here's an instant replay of that. I'm gonna make this. I can't even make it over the No. There we go. Perfect. He's dead. He's not my problem anymore. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, son. Whee! Whoa. Hello. Okay. That was fine. It's fine. Can't see the ground. Oh! Totally nailed that. First try. Obstacle Course Fix by Best Kid for T40 Final. Okay. Safe and danger. Danger! It's not fun being sick. How many of you are sick right now? Post in the comments, like, if you're sick, like, right now. Doesn't matter if you were sick. No! No! Are you... Oh. Kill me now. Stupid mistakes. Ow. Wait. I don't go slow. No. I go full speed ahead. Okay. Alright. That didn't work. I got this. No slow for me. Ow. Gonna succeed. Ow. Go perfect. See? You don't need to go slow. It's just a suggestion. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Oh. That was easy. Oh, Timmy. Oh, no. Timmy goes in there? But he died. Ow. Oh, just pull him out. Okay. Victory climb. I feel like this is not... Oh, I knew it. Oh, nailed it. Oh, beautiful. One more. Obstacle Course Black by Lowell Spear Blurb. Yeah. It sounds like something you say when you're throwing up. Sorry, but it is. Have fun. All irresponsible dads. Okay. Oh, my foot. Oh, my other foot. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, let me just... There, now you're flying. You're welcome. Yeah. Ow! How did my arm fall off? Oh, I'm losing my voice. Oh, God. Oh! Oh! Dodged it. Don't even need to... Oh! 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 Right in my giblets. Oh. Perfect. One more. Come on, roll. I got it. Obstacle course version 2. Miss Peter DK person. Rate 5. Good luck. Don't forget to save replays. Arrow run. Okay. Okay. Just break my face off. Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, I just blew through that like it was nothing. Sort of. Oh, ow, my butt. Oh, wow. Okay. I know I keep saying one more, but... One more. Obstacle course 101. I'm not even gonna read the thingy. Oh, hello. This level is possible. It's possible. Don't forget, children, it's possible. Whoa, okay. This is what you will look like in your future. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Wait, whoa. What? Okay. My butt is bleeding. Look at my butt. Wait, if I could stop. Look. I'm pooping out blood. This way is the finish. Yeah. Oh. That's me. That's me right there. Who can click first? Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do a second episode of this. I'm gonna do Obstacle Courses 2. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm definitely doing a the second episode of this because this was really fun and I like obstacle courses. So, yeah, bye.